Beanie, get out of the toy. Get out of the toy real quickly. Please. Beanie. Beanie. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for like 2 seconds. Never mind, I got her body. And so my parents have this nice little gap under the bed. Yeah, she's scary. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just like quickly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's gonna find that. Like a good distance. Beanie, where's your toy? Where's your toy? Where is it, Beanie? Gonna kick that out of the way. And there is her toy. Come here. Down there. You have to go get your toy. How could she fit down there? Earlier, she had the ball down there. She was growling as I was on the toilet over there. And so as that was happening, I had decided to get the ball for her. And so as I grabbed the ball, guess what she had done? She had gone all the way through the bed when she wasn't going to do it earlier. Scared the crap out of me. Isn't that right, Beanie? You're a weird dog. Beanie! It's not edible. Anyway, that's all I want to show you. Hopefully, I was hoping I was able to do it again. But I guess not. Say bye, discuss. And by the way, this is not my room. I shall show you my room later. Bye. Bye. I don't know. See ya.